You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf is the company's first all-electric car. It maintains the spirited driving experience of internal combustion versions of the Golf. The e-Golf is the best handling electronic car in its class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.